Hey everybody, so today I am here with my vlogging camera and I am going to show you guys a tour of my beauty room. So basically I live in a 3-bedroom house. One of the bedrooms I have a roommate, and then I live with my boyfriend as well. My boyfriend and I sleep in his bedroom, so his bedroom is technically our bedroom, and then my bedroom is my beauty room and basically where I store all of my stuff. So I just want to give you a tour. I did recently change rooms, which is why my setup is a little bit different than how it used to be. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a tour of my room and how I store all of my shit. So let's just get going. Alright, so when you walk into my room, this is what it looks like, and then I have my filming space over here. So that is what my door looks like. I have these two pictures right here, which some of y'all may recognize. This is the cover of a Story So Far split EP, and then this I got for Christmas from actually an ex-boyfriend's grandma, and I just love the saying. I think it's perfect. So I have those two hung up right here. Then this little clothing rack. I have a lot of clothes. I work retail and have for a really long time, so I have a ton of clothes. I just got this rack from Fred Meyer, and then there's space for shoes down there, and then those are just little memory boxes that I got from, like, the top one is from Goodwill and then the bottom one is from Michael's, but on here I just keep all of my hung up stuff. So I keep like my flannels. I'll give you a little look. So I just keep like t-shirts that I want to like hang up, any dresses. I keep a lot of my like sweaters, my flannels, more sweaters, more sweaters, more sweaters, more sweaters, my like crop hoodies, my jackets, all of those sort of things, snowboarding jacket, all of those sort of things I keep on here to make it nice and pretty. And then I have some of my shoes down here. I do keep a lot of them. We have like a rack of shoes right inside of our door, like to our living room. So I just keep a couple of shoes back there. Back there are all of my like booties and kind of my dress up shoes, and then these are just some random Vans that I have because I just have a ton of Vans. So that is that little fixture. And then we come to my closet. This closet is tiny, so I really had to find a way to really maximize the space. So I found these little organizers from Amazon. If I remember, I'll link them down below. But these house all of my t-shirts. I do have a t-shirt collection, which I will link, or t-shirt collection video, which I'll link down below. So this little cubby right here are all of my music tees. These are all of my t-shirts that I have cropped. These are all of my like skate culture tees, and these ones are all of my like random t-shirts. I just have a couple hoodies in here and crew necks. I have some hats and some beanies, and then I just decided to put all of my pink Vans in here because look how freaking cute these are. So I have the Ultra Ranges from Vans. I have these Mahogany Rose checkerboard slip-ons. I have the Mahogany Rose skate highs. And then I just have these super cute baby pink slip-ons. I just thought they all looked super cute, and so yeah, that's my closet. Up there I keep old textbooks, any like bags that I'm not using, or any like random things I keep up there in those two bins that I got at Target. And right to the side of my closet, I have this little cubby with my dresser. My dad actually built me this dresser when I was in high school, and I have my 2 diplomas. I have a poster from when I did research at the RNC in Cleveland. I have this cute little poster that I found at, or it's like an aluminum tin like sign. Found it at Value Village, and then I just keep all of my books. These ones are pretty much all sociology books. Pretty much all of them, and then of course Twilight. I have all of my CDs. I have this cute little thing that I pretty much use as a bookend. I have a couple more MCR pop figures, and then I just have this little fixture with all of my jewelry on it. We come to my mirror, which you see me take selfies in all the time. This right here is a pro board from Nora Vasconcelos. She rides for the brand Welcome, and she is one of my favorite skaters ever, and she just went pro, so David got me this for Christmas. One, the artwork is amazing. Welcome skateboarders have such cool graphics, and it's just one of my favorite skateboarders. She's just a badass, so I of course had to support the ladies in skating, and I just wanted to hang this up. I might turn this into a full complete someday, but I just want to like make it look pretty for now. And then this mirror is just from Big Lots. It was like 40 bucks, and it's a really like nice quality, and I can get like the whole kit in it. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And then the piece that you guys see the most, this is my little filming setup. As you can see, my room's relatively small, but it fits everything in here really, really nicely. So that is where I sit. This chair, I don't even know where it's from. My mom has had it forever, and I finally convinced her to give it to me because it's one of my favorite things ever. I need to get a new tabletop desperately. This one is just from Walmart. I have 2 umbrella lights that actually my roommate, or my old roommate, got for me for Christmas last year. He just got them from Amazon. I have my ring light right here. Boom! I have my ring light right here with my camera in the middle. For those of you guys wondering, I use the Canon T5. And then this is, okay, come on, adjust. And then this is just where I sit. I also have this light that is relatively new to me that actually Justin from Logical Harmony gifted to me. So thank you so much, Justin, because this is like the reason why my background is not so dark anymore. And then I just have some pictures. This is a picture of my niece, my mom, and I, and these are 3 of my best friends. I have this really cute note from Makeup Geek, and then another little note from a subscriber slash friend. I'll link her Instagram down below. She's such a cool artist. And then I just got these little racks from Amazon. A brand actually like reached out to me and sent me these. They're so good, and they're like 16 bucks. So I'd store all of my nail polishes. I have Kale polish, Madam Glam, and then a ton of Wet n Wild, and then a couple just random palettes that I just store. And then if you guys have seen any of my like makeup collections, which I will link all of my makeup collections down below, you will have seen this setup. This is just like my everyday makeup and some of my palettes. And then I have these 2 right here, which again, if you have seen any of my makeup collections, you will have seen these before. This was from Michael's, and I just keep all of my lip and eye products in here. These 2 are from TJ Maxx, which again, I keep more lip products in here. I have the Makeup Geek Iconic lipsticks, some NYX matte lipsticks. And then over here, I have my cute little Gerard Pops, and then I have these drawers, which I keep all of my face stuff in. So we have highlight, bronzer, and blush. We have like powder, concealer, powders and concealers, foundation in here. And then this is my like random bin of stuff that I just don't use anymore and need to give away to friends. And then this right here is all of my skincare, hair care, random stuff. I have some like hair supplies in here, my extensions, more extensions. I have my like random junk drawer. I have nail polish things. I have hair care, a ton of hair care. It's ridiculous. This is my like skincare drawer that is just so way too full. I have my like hair implements, so like all of my like curling irons and stuff like that. And then another random, then another random bin of just random stuff. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. That's pretty much it, and that is my room, y'all. It's really nothing incredibly special, but it's nice and cozy, and it's mine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.